Hi, I'm Santosh. Today I'm going to talk about virtual machines. Let's say you are instructed to process a 1 TB of data or more huge data using a Jupyter notebook or a Python. You would say, my i5 laptop can't process that huge data. It may get stuck or uh, it may get hang and may even crash the process. But we use virtual computers in cloud with high RAM and high CPU, high specifications to handle that amount of data. So, virtual machine is a software based computer. It behaves like a real physical computer. It has its own operating system, CPU, RAM, and storage. Cloud providers uses data centers to manage the virtual machines. Cloud providers such as Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS, and Google Cloud Platform. Now we'll see how to create a virtual machine using AWS. So this is the AWS console. Let's search for EC2 instance and click on instances and click on launch instance. So I'll name it as, and we can choose the OS. Let it be default Amazon Linux and let everything be default. And we need to create a key value pair. So I'll name it as key AWS and click create key. A .pem file will be downloaded. Next, click launch instance. Wait for few seconds until the launching will be initiated. Click this, and now you need to connect the virtual machine. So we'll see a connect option. Click connect, and then click connect. Now your virtual machine, Linux machine, will be started. You can type Linux commands and everything will work. And now let's see how can we create one for Windows. Again, go to instances and don't forget to terminate or pause your instance after using. So it's selected and we'll click on instance state, and you can stop or terminate. I don't want this, so I'll terminate this. And then we'll create a new instance, a Windows virtual machine. Click on Windows OS and let everything be default. And here we can select the one that we already created, or we can create new. And the key that we created is key AWS, and let everything be default. Click on launch instance. We need to wait for few seconds to launching the instance. And click here. Now we need to do the same process, but for Windows This is a small change. Click on RDP client, download remote desktop file, click download that and open it, click connect. Wait for few seconds. So we need a password. Click on get password. We need to wait for few seconds. So cancel and we'll try again. It says we need to wait at least 4 minutes after launching the instance. So then only we can generate the password. I'll continue refreshing. It won't take that much. Yeah, it merely took 10 to 15 seconds. Now we need to choose that .pem file that we downloaded while our key pair. Click on decrypt password and you will get the password. And you need to paste the password here. Click yes. And now you can see your Windows is getting started.